Awesome folks, this is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. Of course, guys, as always, I am driving. I cannot be focused on the camera so much. My attention is on the road. Anyway, hope you guys are doing great on this Monday morning. It is about to be another holiday this week, but I do not want you to lose focus on the goals that you have for your career and what you have to do and what you're getting ready to, hopefully you're making changes so you can truly achieve the dream career you want. Because I really, truly hope that you're not waiting for somebody else to drop opportunity in your lap. It takes courage, it takes determination, it takes a plan, it takes you working the plan. You all know it don't happen by happenstance. No great opportunity happens by accident. No great opportunity drops in your lap. When opportunity meets preparation, promotion, and elevation can take place. I just wanted to stop by and encourage you guys today. I was looking at a magazine, I think it was Women's Day magazine, and looking on the cover, not the cover, but the a couple pages inside, and it had a young lady that ran a marathon that didn't have legs, that had the bionic legs. I look at that. Not only did she not have legs, but the bionic ones or the mechanical ones that she had, she made good use of it and decided to run a marathon. Now, you don't run a marathon on accident. It takes some people years of training. That'd be great if I could do a marathon. I'd be looking a whole lot different than I do right now. That's a very ostentatious goal for somebody that doesn't have legs, or for somebody that's missing their leg. She had some very I forgot what the name of the disease was that she had, and it caused so much degeneration in her legs that from the knee on down, both of her shins on both legs were amputated. And instead of crawling up in a ball and giving up on life, she decided to, I don't know, train for a marathon. The mind is something very powerful if you use it for the capabilities that it has. I want you guys to take that kind of tenacity when it comes onto your career. Nobody's going to do it for you. But in your mind, your mindset is going to be able to determine whether you achieve that dream career or you fail at it and wonder about it and hope about it. No, it's going to happen when you make it happen. Just like that girl said, you know what? I have no legs, but I have mechanical ones. Let's see what we can do with these. And she worked it, and she trained, and she trained, and she trained, and she ended up doing a marathon. You're going to take your career, because we only have one life to live. Why spend it in a career that is not going to benefit you, that truly does not give you that satisfaction? Work. If it's not something that's going to, maybe your dream career doesn't fund your lifestyle. So find some way to interject it in your life, whether you do it voluntarily, whether you do it part-time. But life is about having rich experiences. You do not want to waste or not do it because, I can't live off of this. You can do it part-time. There's ways of doing it. Like that young lady that had no legs, where there's a will, there's a way. So make it happen. Nobody's going to do it for you. But you got to get it done yourself. Now, you can get help along the way, and that's what I do offer. If you're looking to start this process on your own and you're more of a self-starter, like this young lady was, then you can definitely check out my resource at mentorshelley.com/DCG, which is a dream career guide. Grab it while it is still free. It is going to be going on sale very soon, in another think sometimes people don't value free. It's just the honest truth. And of course, if you're looking to maybe get a more comprehensive dream career plan, instead of let's just talk about it, let's just wonder about it, let's just hope about it, let's put a concrete plan in place so we can get it done. Of course, I can definitely work with you to do that when you go to mentorshelley.com/services/career strategy, where you and I work together to get that dream career off the ground. That young lady inspired me. It was only a picture in a magazine, but it speaks volumes as to what is possible if your mindset is in the right place and you have the right plan. Alright guys, take care. And of course, if you're looking, if you want to make any suggestions on topics for the videos, or topics for the blog, you can definitely either leave a comment below, or you can reach me at mentorshelley.com/contact, or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'm more than happy to return that voicemail or that email within 24 hours, letting you know when we are going to do your topic or answer your general questions in the next video. Alright guys, take care. See you in the next video. And of course, this is Mentor Shelley, wanting you to not hope and wish about your dream career, but make it happen. Bye guys. Y'all have a good one.